One of the biggest things I remember being a kid is that spring and fall deep cleaning that my mom did. I'd come home and cabinets would be all spruced up and clean. Let's talk about real estate spring cleaning. Little different. We're going to get into some of the things that we really notice when we're walking a home. First of all, ceiling fans. Gosh, that's the one that I see more grime, dust, dirt on in houses that, quite honestly, we don't really notice. We want to make sure we're cleaning light fixtures, ceiling fans, making sure bulbs all match. Then let's get into some of the standard things that you might think of. Wiping down baseboards, wiping down light switches, deep cleaning every ounce, every spot in the bathroom. Making sure you clean your dishwasher. There you want to make sure that it smells fresh and clean for your new dishes. Let's make sure we're using just kind of an extra eye in our closets, whether it be entry or our regular closets, to dust down, wipe down the racks, organize. This is a good time to do a donation pile as well. Kitchen cabinets. So often we just kind of browse over our kitchen. We do a great job with our countertops, but wiping down the tops of the cabinets, the crown moldings, the front of the cabinets, and the handles, making sure they're all fresh and clean. Well, organize your cabinets. It's great to open up that glass cabinet and not having them fall out at you. Another time to donate. So get those cabinets looking spruce, clean, and ready for the spring season. Wipe down your doors. Magic erasers work great if you have scuffs on your white 6-panel doors. HVAC, time to have it cleaned and checked. And get on a good system for your filters, changing those once a month. Let's go outside. Everything off of the front porches. Let's clean that down. Let's dust our light fixtures. Let's make sure our bulbs are all working. Really get a good, clean first impression of your entry foyer and entry door. Also, treat yourself to a new rug. Spring is a great time to grab a hello rug or a welcome rug or something that welcomes your guest. You also want to look at your windows. If you need professional help getting your windows clean, do it. Treat yourself. If not, make sure you get that good shimmer and shine on those windows. Armor All is a great tip for your shutters. Do a test before you put it on all of them, but it'll give it a fresh, clean look. Patios, go ahead and power wash, get your furniture set up, add your decor, and enjoy spring. Just around the corner, we're going to get those St. Louis summers, so let's get ready.